Hi Haley, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that can help your business grow. I found that by giving people a free attack plan of things they can do themselves to help impact their business positively has led those business owners to put their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and tools that can help your business grow, then send me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the tips and tricks I give you today and implement them yourself to grow your business, that's okay with me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 quick things about SEO that can help your business grow. So the first thing you want to look at is content quantity. So as we can see, you have 1,370 words on your homepage. This is your website in SEO Quick. Now that's really good, but just so you know, Google released that their algorithm looks for a minimum of 1,500 words on each homepage when it scrubs the pages. So right out of the gate, you could easily just be having one leg on your competition if you just meet that minimum with just a simple extra 200 words. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about goes hand in hand with the content quantity, and that's the quality. Keywords. You're doing a really good job actually. You have basement 44 times, repair, foundation, Wisconsin, Illinois, Milwaukee. Those are all really good. So I don't have much to say about that, but just quickly, if you don't know, when you type something into Google, for example, basement repair Milwaukee, it'll scrub for those keywords and where they are. As you can see, your number one competitor here is Accurate Basement Repair. So if you go to their website, they have less words than you, but they also have some pretty good keywords and keyword density. But let me go to the third thing, which is going to really help make or break you in the front page. That's going to be your backlinks. Now this is your website, and what a backlink is it's simply a link from one website to your website. So if site A is pointed at site B would be getting some of that power from site A, and it's showing Google that they have authority. It's basically a popularity contest. But not only, again, is it quantity. So as we can see, you have 3,500 backlinks, but the quality of those backlinks is pivotal. So what I noticed is you have a DR of 15. Now, we scroll down here, and I can see almost all your backlinks are coming from weak sources, with 11 to 20, 20 being the highest. Now, this is the URL rating, and this is what helps get you to the top. Now, if we look at your competitor here, you can see they have 2.3 backlinks, and they have keywords as well. But what we're going to scroll down and look at is that they have, similar to you, but they have one that's 21 to 30. Just that one URL has helped propelling them to a 21 where you're at a 15. So as you can see, it really pays to make sure that you're getting quality backlinks in there. Now in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content quantity and how you want to have 1,500 words on that home page. Secondly, we discussed quality of that content by having the keywords that you want to be found for in your content. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about off-site SEO in the forward of backlinks, and how you want to have relevant site pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could easily be number 1 across Google in the area. So, what now? Well, you can take this information I gave you today and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and effort, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.